Monday, or correction, Tuesday evening. Don't even know what the day is. Tuesday evening, right at 6 o'clock. Got a break in the weather for a couple hours. Sky looks kind of yucky, but it's supposed to be 0 to 5% chance. So I'm gonna go pick up some din-din and take it to my mother. Get a little quick ride in here. That was unexpected. Yeehaw. Never turn one of them down. It's always fun. It's nice out here. 64 degrees. It was all rainy this afternoon. I left about 11:30 to go get her, then found out on the way that her doctor hadn't discharged her yet, even though he came in at 10 o'clock and said he was. It's like, good Lord. And so I rerouted, went by and signed my taxes, paid for them so they could file them. Should have went that way. Oh, I'm going this way. Oh well. They called her and they still hadn't done anything, so I said, well, I'm going to run by the gym, get my cardio out of the way, call me if something changes. And did that. Right as I was getting ready to call her, as I was pulling out of the parking lot, she called me. Said everything was a go. I said, well, that's good. Be up there in a minute. Hit a lot of traffic, so I called her to tell her we were behind and found out the doctor hadn't actually sent the stuff over yet. So I ended up sitting in the truck in front of the ER for a good 30 minutes or so before they were able to bring her down. It's like, dadgum. But anyways, glad that weather has broken. Hope it stays that way. I don't have no back window in their caravan. Is that a caravan? I think that's a caravan. But tickled with this unexpected ride. I hope it does this a couple times during the week. Been a couple weeks ago, right after I got freed to ride. No, I think it was before I was able to ride. The forecast was rain all week, and we had a break in it a couple times during that, which was nice. Would have been even nicer if you had if I'd had the ability to ride, but I didn't. But I do this week, so hopefully we'll have that chance. Oh, that's a Voyager, not a Caravan. That is one beat up Plymouth Voyager for sure. Mr. Bobcat. My son-in-law's mom and brother live about right there somewhere. Probably right over there. because they hunt back in there. My son killed a little 6-pointer back in there. It's amazing how deer live on such small areas. Could go down through there. We have four-wheeled it before and got stuck. I wonder if they've ever opened that, if you can go in right there.